Which is mowers and blowers. Psh. Guys, what do we got? What are we looking at? We have this Honda GCV160. Let's go ahead and see what the model number is. It is HRR2166PDA. We're gonna just go over the vitals on it. Looks pretty full. Looks pretty black. Probably never been changed in all its life. Who knows? See how that looks. Doesn't look too bad from the back. A lot of oil and dirt and dust. It's good to keep that clean. Go ahead and pop that back in there. Alright. Let's go ahead and look at this blade system under here. When you want to tilt these, this actually has a on and off for your gas. There's on and your gas is turned off. Tilt your lawnmower away from your carburetor. Hey, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. So this is what it looks like underneath. This is that dual blade system. Doesn't look too bad underneath there. Now this is just a push mower. This is not a self-propelled. And we are going to go ahead and change the oil, clean it all up and get it ready for sale. So we'll be tipping this over, and that's what you want to do to drain out your oil. So anybody just like me or you can change the oil yourself. You don't have to take it in to have somebody change this oil. So it's as easy as taking out the dipstick like that, and we're just gonna tip the lawnmower over so that the oil drains inside that bucket. So that's all we're doing. You can see the oil draining out, and then while your oil is being drained out, it's a good time to go through here and just look at everything. Take your blades off, sharpen them up. I believe is brand new. They're looking pretty darn good. If you were going to take off your blade, remove these two bolts right here, take them off, sharpen them up. Local hardware store can do that for you, but once again, you can do that yourself. Very easy to do. If you decide to sharpen your blade yourself, you can just take a file and do it. You can use a grinder if you happen to have one, or you can buy the little file that goes onto your drill. If you can't do any of that, and you can at least take your blades off, probably your local hardware store, they sharpen lawnmower blades for 10 bucks or something like that. At least you can get them sharpened once a year. So it looks like all our oil has been drained out of there. So then we can go ahead and tilt it back over. You can see how black that oil was. It's about time we change that out. And just don't forget to put oil back in there before you go and start it up. If you need to get rid of your oil, you can always take it to one of the oil change places. They will take your oil for you. Now, I don't see anywhere on here that says how many ounces. I'll double check the stick again, but you can see how this is tilted up and where the oil level should be. They did do that. They should have put, 20 ounces, 30 ounces, whatever goes in there. You can look that up in your owner's manual. Just Google it real fast. See exactly how many ounces will go in there. So a quick Google search on your Honda. So if you have one of these GCV160s, it takes 0.55 liters, which converts to about 18.5 ounces. Containers like this has a little side on it. We want 18.5, so this picture is nice because it shows you that you're just going to stick it in there, so you're not going to screw it all the way in. There's a big debate. Do you screw it in or do you just stick it in? And that looks great. Hey guys, so if you wonder what kind of oil I use, I just happened to pick up this Pennzoil. It's 5W30 here. That's what we use in Michigan. It's full synthetic. That just happened to be on sale. That's the one that I got. So we got the oil change. Now we're going to start it up, let it run a little bit. We're going to go wash it all off, make it look pretty. So we're going to attempt to start this up one-handed. Thanks for joining me on this changing your oil on the GCV160 Honda engine. Hey, you guys can do it. This is Rich with Mowers and Blowers.